Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Currently, you probably have your screen is black screen when you're trying to play Hogwarts Legacy, and or it's also stuck on loading screen. I know it's very annoying problem, and I decided to create this video to help you fix this problem. Now I can't guarantee you, this is the disclaimer, I can't guarantee this will work. I'll just try to do my best to show you a couple of methods to fix this problem. Now there are multitudes of reasons why you might have this problem, and yeah, as I said, I can't guarantee you, but I'll try my best to help you. And please let me know in the comments section if this video helped you. I do care, I do want to help you, I do really want this fix this problem to go away, this error for you, so you can enjoy this game. So please let me know your feedback down below, and now let's look some of the solutions I have for you. First solution is always to update your Windows. Okay, so what you have to do, you can go to Windows Update. This might be very basic things that you have to do in Windows, but they're very important. So if you click here on Update Windows, and you can also click on download and install it. There's any available drivers, so Windows updates for you, and also click on advanced options, click on optional updates, and here there should be a lot of updates available for you. Just check here and click on download and install. Okay, that's one way. There's another thing that you can do is to go to GeForce Experience if you have a NVIDIA card, and from here you can click on drivers, and in drivers you can click on check for updates, and then if there's any valuable update, just click on download. Okay, perfect. Now the next step, another thing that you should do is to install DirectX and user runtime. If you don't have it on your computer, just click on download, and also install Microsoft Visual C++. If you don't have it on your computer, make sure you click here and install it. And if you are a NVIDIA user, make sure you click on download now, and you click on automatic driver updates. Okay, it's very important. This will just automatically look if there's any available drivers that you have on your computer and you don't have the latest driver, and you will just do the work for you. You'll just install the latest driver. Pretty good tool. And also AMD user, this is what you have to do, is just to click on download. All right, I hope this basic stuff, guys, helped you to fix this problem. Please let me know in the comment section your feedback, and I'll create a part 2 if I find better solutions to fix this problem. Okay, thank you for watching, and take care.